Let us discuss some more examples on divided difference formula. Example, fit an interpolating polynomial for the given data. u10 is equal to 355, u0 is equal to minus 5, u8 is equal to minus 21, u1 is equal to minus 14, u4 is equal to minus 125 by using Newton's general interpolation formula. We know that Newton's general interpolation formula means divided difference formula, and hence find u2. We have to find first interpolating polynomial. We know that how to find this polynomial. After that we have to find u2, means just substitute in the polynomial, just substitute x is equal to 2, we get what is the value of u2. Solution, see here values are randomly given. We have to first arrange these values in the ascending order. We shall arrange the given data, arrange the data taking the values of x in the ascending order along with the corresponding values of ux, just for the convenience. Here not necessary to arrange these values in ascending order, just for the easier calculation arrange these values in the ascending order. These are the values of x 0, 1, 4, 8, 10, and f of x values are minus 4, minus 14, 120, minus 125, minus 21 and 355. From earlier examples we know that how to find these values. Find this tabular column. Next, apply the formula. The fourth order differences are 0. See here in the third divided difference column 2, 2. Next column it will be 0. Therefore the fourth order differences are 0. Since the third order differences are same, we have to apply here Newton's general interpolation formula. This is the Newton's general interpolation formula up to third divided difference terms. Substitute the values. F of x naught value is minus 5 plus x into x minus x naught. X naught value is 0, therefore x minus x into f of x naught x1 value is minus 9. Therefore x into minus 9 plus x into x minus 1, f of x naught x1 x2 value is minus 7 plus x into x minus 1 x minus 2, and this value is 2. Simplify this one, we get minus 5 plus x into, in these three terms x is common, take x common, remaining is minus 9 plus minus 7x. Multiply this minus 7 to this one, minus 7x plus minus into minus plus 1 into 7 is 7 plus x is taking common. Then simplify these two brackets, we get x square minus 5x plus 4 into 2 as it is, minus 5 plus x. Simplify this bracket, we get 2x cube minus 17x plus 6. Therefore the required polynomial is f of x is equal to ux is equal to 2x cube minus 17x square plus 6x minus 5. To find u2, just substitute x is equal to 2, that is 2 into 2 cube minus 17 into x square into x square plus 6 into 2 minus 5, we get f of 2 or u2 is equal to minus 45. Next, this is same as the previous example. Try this one. Next example, find the cubic polynomial which passes through the points 2, 4, 4, 56, 9, 7, 11 and 10, 9, 80, and hence estimate the dependent variable corresponding to the values of independent variable 3, 5, 7, 11. Here we have to find the cubic polynomial, means here we have to find the polynomial which should be cubic polynomial. We know that what is cubic polynomial, and these pairs are of the form x comma y, means 2, 4, 9, 10 are the values of x, and 4, 56, 7, 11 and 9, 80 are the values of y. Here we have to find the, hence estimate the dependent variable corresponding to the values of independent variable 3, 5, 7, 11. We know that what are the dependent and independent variable. Here we have to find the value of y at The values of x are 3, 5, 7 and 11. Means here we have to find f of 3, f of 5, f of 7 and f of 11. First we have to find the polynomial which should be cubic. Solution, we have to find f of x, where we have by the data f of 2 is equal to 4, f of 4 is equal to 56, f of 9 is equal to 711 and f of 10 is equal to 980. We have to construct the difference table here. These are the values of x and values of f of x, and find these values. After that, apply the Newton's general interpolation formula, Newton's divided difference formula, and substitute the values and simplify. 4 plus x minus 2 into 26 plus x minus 2, x minus 4 into 15 plus x minus 2, x minus 4, x minus 9 into 1. In these three terms, x minus 2 is common. Take outside. 4 plus x minus 2 into 26 plus x minus 4 into 15. Multiply 15 to this bracket, we get 15x minus 60 plus x minus 2 is taking common. Simplify these two bracket, we get x square minus 13x plus 36. 4 plus x minus 2 into x square plus 2x plus 2. After simplification, we get f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x. Observe here, this polynomial is cubic. This is the required polynomial. After that, we have to find f of 3, f of 5, f of 7, f of 11. Just replace x by 3, we get f of 3. Replace x by 5, we get f of 5. Replace x by 7, we get f of 7. Replace x by 11, we get f of 11. Therefore, f of 3 is equal to x 3 cube minus 2 into 3, we get 21. 5 cube minus 2 into 5, 115, and 7 cube minus 2 into 7, we get 329, and 11 cube minus 2 into 11, we get 1309. Next example, determine f of x as a polynomial in x for the following data using Newton's divided difference formula. This is the given data. Values of x and values of y are f of x values. Construct this difference table. After that, apply the formula, and here after the substitution we have y is equal to f of x is equal to 1245 plus x plus 4 into minus 404 plus x plus 4 into x plus 1 into 94 plus x plus 4 x plus 1 into x into minus 14 plus x plus 4 x plus 1 into x minus 2 into 3. Simplify the brackets, we get 1245 plus 3x raised to 4 minus 17x cube plus 74x square minus 10x plus 12x cube minus 6x square plus 296x minus 1240. Simplify these values, we get the polynomial f of x is equal to 3x raised to 4 minus 5x cube plus 6x square minus 14x plus 5. These are some examples on Newton divided difference formula.